What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can set up shipping rates on Shopify. The process is pretty simple for that. Just come to Google and search for Shopify and obviously go to shopify.com, which would be shopify.com's website. Now, in the Shopify, I'm just going to click on this login and it will log into my account because I was already logged in. However, after logging in, it will take you to your dashboard and this is how your dashboard will look like. In the dashboard, you have to go to the settings on the top, on the bottom left corner, and in the settings, you will see these options popped up. Here you have to click on this shipping and delivery, and then you just have to click on this shipping and the rates for underneath this section. Just click on this. Now, this is what you will see. Here you have to scroll down, and according to your region, you can do the international shipping, local shipping, and all the things. Just see those details and then add the rate according to you. Suppose you are setting a rate for EU, just click on this add rate and then add the rate according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.